Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G82. To turn on the dark mode, you go to your settings, go to display, and then you have here appearance and then dark theme right on top. The dark theme will never turn on automatically. So it will never just change to dark mode. You can turn it on here, just click on that little button and then you see the screen turns black. The dark mode will save battery and it's also better for your eyes if you're under low light conditions. Personally, I also think it just looks a bit cooler, but that's my personal opinion. Yeah, that's how you turn on the dark mode. You can turn it off by just clicking on the button again and then it's back to light mode. That is pretty much it. That's how you turn on and off the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G82. Hope you liked it, hope it helped, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!